Finding your next warehouse space can be time-consuming and frustrating. In our online course, The Ultimate Warehouse Checklist, we cover all the different components to look for while on your warehouse tour. In this particular video, we'll be covering building specs.
Hopefully you're using a true tenant rep, but now you're on the tour, or you're about to be on the tour. And the basic specs of the building: does it have enough square footage now and for the conceivable future? What's the base rent? What are the CAM charges? What are the taxes? What is the under-steel ceiling height, and is it adequate to meet your needs? What is the age of the building? When was it last renovated, if it was renovated? How many acres is it on? How much storage acres are there? What is the type of construction? Is it steel, concrete, aluminum? Is this in a sewer district, or is this a cesspooled building? Is it LEED certified? And obviously you're going to pay more for that. Do you need LEED certified?
Get free access to the full online course. Click the link in the description to begin your journey to stress-free CRE. Thanks for watching.